Hey guys, welcome back to the After Hours. I'm the Eight-Tailed Beast, and today we're going to talk about fear in the market, as I like to call it, the boogeyman. To help us talk about fear in the market, we're going to look at AMC, its new preferred equity units called APE. Let's get into it. If you know anything about AMC, it's a movie theater. It has been through the ringer several times, taking lefts, taking rights, taking uppercuts, but before it went down, it was saved. It was saved by retail. The CEO of AMC is Adam Aron. He has done everything possible to keep the company afloat. He's given out all the common stock for the company. Now he's giving out dividends, and he's taking it a step further. He renamed those dividends APE. Now the new name is a meme-friendly way for the company to participate inside of the meme stock revolution. Now they had a really heavy blow to the confidence of all meme stock investors after the large sell-off from Ryan Cohen last week. When the APE units were released, there were all kinds of questions asked. AMC released frequently asked questions, and there's all kinds of conditional statements in this that confuse people and leave a lot of doubt and fear in the market. I'll highlight a few of them and you'll understand why there's a bunch of FUD, which is fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market. I like to call it the boogeyman. In these FAQs, if you go to number 3, there's a question that asks, can an APE unit ever become a common stock? The answer is yes, but it's only if the board proposes it and the investors vote on it. Now, a lot of people are under the assumption that when APE units came out, AMC did a 2-to-1 split. So at the end of the day, Adam Aron came out and he said, just to clarify, if you add APE units and AMC shares together, you get the total current shareholder base. And that was so he can clear up a little bit of the doubters that had a lot of conspiracy theories. Most people believe the new short squeezes on AMC were because of fraud and lack of transparency about trading structure in the US markets in general. Most apes believe that synthetic shares, which is a fancy word for fake shares, dark pools, and naked short selling has been driving the price down for AMC. Now there is options on AMC, and options itself has higher yields, but the risk is already really close to gambling. Gambling is fun. When you get into options, it's more used as an insurance. That's why you have higher yield that come at a higher risk. So the boogeyman is made up of the headlines and the inside investors that are pumping up the stock. They're playing the blame game. And then when it goes down, it's the greedy short sellers. Most of the time, that's not actually what's happening. It's just someone needs an excuse. It's the boogeyman.
I'm in danger. Shut up. This is a bear market. Just wait. They'll lose their hope. They always do. That money, it's gonna come back where it belongs. Stay the course.
There is a lot of scams in the market, but there's also a lot of FUD in the stock market. Now, if we go back to the FAQs, another one of the concerns for the APE unit is 500 million units already distributed. And then there's another 500 million that can be distributed without the permission of the shareholders. Now, this is pretty much an offering as an equity instrument. It's used to raise capital and pay debts. Now, the people that have APE units that want to sell their APE units, if they're not available, they will be given a cash equivalent. So there's a conflict between all the fear in the market that I still call the boogeyman. Overall, I just want to say APE units, it's a good name and it's projected to go up, and AMC at this point is projected to go down. Now, the reason I'm mentioning a decline inside of AMC stock, even though it's a meme stock, and that's just because the meme stock rally was reignited by HKD going all the way to 2,500, and then more recently by Ryan Cohen selling his 10% stake inside of Bed Bath & Beyond, leaving most retail holding a bag and killing the confidence of all meme stock investors when it comes to trusting large position holding public figures like the hedge funds that are going long inside of these meme stock investments. And now you just got a new one on board, and that's Jim Chanos. There's no saying that he's actually an activist investor. He's just letting people know that he went long because of arbitrage, and he's in it for the long run. Now, we don't know what plans anyone has, but we do know they're going to lead with their risk management, and then they have their own personal eye for the market, one that's been refined through experience. Now, even if there's a boogeyman out there, you shouldn't be worried, because with your risk management, you should be able to take care of the boogeyman. If this were a video game, having solid risk management gives you 3 to 5 lives. Now, to help us interpret that, I'm going to invite a friend in, and he's going to tell us what does it feel like to be prey and on the opposite side of a bear market. All right, so my friend's a little shy, so I'm going to speak for him. What do you think about the current bear market? So he said that there is a bull market and it's a wall of worry. When it comes to the bear market, you slide down a river of hope. And meme stalkers, oh, you don't want to know what he just said. All right, guys, since we're talking fear, we might as well get the news involved. There's always been fear in the market, and there always will be. Check out this video. This is CNBC cutting off one of their guests after they just asked them what was the catalyst behind the rally in AMC. As soon as the guest mentioned something about short covering, they cut her off so they could switch to the next show. And then the next show just happened to be someone on the opposite position. It was the bulls, ex-hedge fund manager, and other financial public figures, anyone that can control the narrative. You don't believe me? Check out this video.
I think are in the camp that you weren't fooled by that summer rally in terms of a new bull. Do you think it's a rally within a bear market?
We thought it was a bear market rally. You look at what really was driving that rally, there were a couple of different things, right? So the first was a lot of short covering. And when you look, there was that concept of, did we actually, was it actually...
I'm sorry, I've been told we've got to go immediately. We've got some issues. Thank you. Squawk on the Street's going to be getting straight ahead. Thank you, Chris, and we'll have you back.
Did you guys see that? As soon as she mentioned short selling, they cut her off. Instead of asking that person about the catalyst on AMC, they'll make their catalyst. Fear, uncertainty, doubt, control the narrative. All right, guys, that's all I got for tonight. If you like this content, let me know what you liked about it in the comments. On your way out, just remember, you're always welcome here in the after hours. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
I'm in danger. I'm in danger. I'm in danger. I'm in danger.
No, fuck that.